Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a big bold favorite, Homestyle Dry Pot Chicken. Just take a look. Golden chicken, crispy potatoes, and bright peppers all sizzling together in a spicy, fragrant sauce. The colors pop. The aroma is irresistible. This is the kind of dish that makes you instantly crave a bowl of rice. Let's get started. Here I've got half a Sichuan chicken, already chopped into small pieces. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of flour and rubbing it in. This pulls out the blood and impurities. Once it feels sticky, rinse it well with water a few times until clean. Then drain completely. You don't want excess water when it hits the wok. Now for the sides. Dice 1 potato. Cut some onion into chunks and chop red and green peppers into pieces. We will also prep some ginger cubes, garlic cloves, dried chilies, and Sichuan peppercorns. That's where the fragrance of a dry pot really comes from. Okay, time to cook. Heat oil in the wok. Then add the potato cubes. Fry gently over medium heat until the surface turns golden and they are cooked through. Scoop them out and set aside. Keep the oil in the wok. It's full of flavor. Now add the chicken pieces. Stir fry for about 10 minutes. You will see the edges get a little charred and smell that roasted aroma. That's the wok doing its magic. Toss in the ginger and the garlic. The fragrance immediately fills the kitchen. Next, add 1 tablespoon of Pixian chili bean paste. Stir fry until the oil turns a deep red. Drop in the dried chilies and Sichuan peppercorns. Keep them moving in the wok so they release their aroma but don't burn. Now bring the potatoes back in. Everything should be coated in that spicy fragrance. Time to season. 1.5 tablespoons soy sauce, 10 grams oyster sauce, 2 teaspoons MSG, and 2 teaspoons sugar. Stir well. Then pour a splash of beer around the edge of the wok, just enough to cover the bottom. Let the alcohol cook off. Add 2 teaspoons ground pepper. Keep stirring so the chicken soaks up all that flavor. Now add the onion, red pepper, and green pepper. Toss quickly. The wok's high heat keeps the veggies crisp and colorful. To finish, sprinkle white sesame seeds. Drizzle 2 tablespoons of chili oil. Give it 1 last big toss, and it's done. Look at this, our home-style dry pot chicken. The sizzling sound, the bright colors, the rich aroma from the wok. It's a feast for the senses. Let me test. The chicken is tender with that smoky wok flavor. The potatoes are packed with seasonings, and the peppers bring freshness. Pair this with rice or a cold beer. Honestly, no one can resist. Thanks for watching. See you next time.